Hello, I'm going to look at your work. Let's see, I thought I had it open. Yeah. Okay, Unique, I thought this was an interesting way to show this documentation. You made a big long one. So I take it um your company's probably Coke. You wouldn't have put that in there probably otherwise. I like the bright colors. I do think that's a good direction to go in. The earth tones, if you're going to use those, I think you also need a sort of a bright highlight color. If this was if this was printed on cheap paper, they would kind of all blend together. So I would recommend that you put um, like a highlight, maybe a yellow in there. So these are all great, but you also need something for paragraphs. So look for a simple sans serif to pair with these, because any of these in paragraph form would be real hard to read. So nicely done. All right, I like all of these. I like the sans serif. Let me go up. Beautiful color palettes. Great way to put all of these together. I can see you really know what you're doing. Same comment to you if you end up using sort of an earth tone color palette. You definitely want to get a highlight in there. Because even like the nicest of paper, like this gray palette here, these colors would sort of blend. So, get that hot pink in, or not hot pink, but the blush pink in there. So you're gonna, that's funny. I like Apple, the idea of Apple going into sort of an old-timey look. I don't see them ever doing that, so I do recommend going simple. I like what you've done here, though, or what you found with the colored wood texture. Even if you just did something small like that with a very, very simple color palette, I think that, and just design style, I think that would work out really well. All right, I'm excited to see what you guys create.